Hey guys, this is Zoe from CJ Dropshipping. Are you wondering how to start a dropshipping business and don't know where to start? Do you often hear that you can begin to dropshipping for free? Is it really true or just an eye-catching headline? Today, I'm going to introduce you guys what's the actual expense for dropshipping newbies. Build a website or open a store. First, to start a dropshipping business, of course, you will need to have your online shop. It could be a website or online shop based on other platform. Dropshippers often are Shopify user or Amazon eBay user. Dropshippers in Southeast Asia generally prefers to open a Shopee store or Lazada store. Each platform usually will have a monthly subscription fee. Shopify costs like $29.99 per month, and that comes with a free 14 days trial. For Amazon, you could choose the $39.99 monthly subscription fee or 99 cents per item. Let's round it to like $40 for easier calculation. eBay's basically monthly subscription fee is $27.95. Shopee doesn't charge for a monthly subscription fee, but it will charge a one-time of $315 fee for a registration with ACRA, Accounting and Cooperated Regulatory Authority. And Lazada doesn't have a monthly subscription fee, but it requires a business license, which raises the entry barrier. Domain. Amazon, eBay, Shopee, and Lazada are all based on their own platform. Unlike them, if you are a Shopify user, although Shopify will provide like one free My Shopify domain name, if you want to build your brand and gain customers' trust, having your domain name is a must. You could purchase domain name on Shopify or other websites like GoDaddy. The price may vary from 99 cents to $99.99 per year on GoDaddy and around $11 on the Shopify store. We could go at like 99 cents per year. Contact management system. After you have a domain name and link the domain name to your website, now we can build an actual website. A contact management system will help you to fill the contact in. Shopify offers free web design feature, or you could use other CMS app like WordPress for a free basic feature. Find a supplier. Now you have built your website or open your online shop on other platforms. It is quite a central part of finding your supplier. AliExpress is the leading supplier source for dropshippers who is running the model of overseas supplier. It does have a lot of disadvantage like long shipping time, unpredictable quality control of the product. It takes many efforts to communicate with the supplier, but don't forget, it is a low entry barrier. If you are newbies, you don't have the experience of finding a reliable supplier, especially when you haven't narrowed down your niche. Dropshipping with overseas supplier might turn a good side as long as you have chosen the right supplier, like CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping has a low entry barrier like AliExpress, but CJ will inspect every product before dispatching it and offers 7 to 15 days shipping from China, and the overseas local stock are also available. The best part of CJ is that CJ has excellent customer service. No worry about contacting several suppliers at one time. CJ will contact them for you. You will only need to contact your personal agent, and it saves tons of time and energy. The best part is CJ service is totally free. Place a test order. Next, when you have found a supplier and you haven't built any trust between you and the supplier, you don't know how well the supplier's platform function, the most easiest and the most direct way is to place a test order to see how your supplier will process and how long it will take. There is no need to order every variant for each product. For example, ordering one dress, select one size for one color is enough. Remember, you are only testing the product's quality and the supplier's delivery process and the speed. This cost will depend upon the niche. Different niche, the test order cost will be different. Let's say 50 to 75 bucks. With this budget, it can pretty much cover the cost of testing around like 3 to 8 products. For a startup cost, it is pretty decent. Marketing, running ads. The biggest expense in the dropshipping field always is the marketing or running ads. Like if you have a beautiful website and a high quality product at reasonable price, but no one is visiting your website at or your shop, like all the efforts were in vain. Advertising can be on Facebook or Google, or you can find a blogger to help you to promote your product. Facebook or Google advertising is general facing the entire network, and there are many price options. In general, you can set a targeted group, advertising method like picture, contact, video, picture slide, and what's your budget. Like Google or Facebook will give you an estimate price like based on your requirements and the budget. Then adjust the price according to the actual conversion rate. There are multiple placements for Facebook ads like Facebook itself, Instagram feed, Story, Messenger sponsored messages, and Messenger story. Also in-stream video. Another type of marketing is to find individual bloggers like YouTuber or Instagrammer to help you promote the products. This type of advertisement is more aimed at the fan of the blogger. The purchasing power of bloggers' fan will pretty much determine your product sale. So find a valuable blogger is a determining factor. The promotion fee of the blogger depends on their actual number of fans and ability to promote good. The actual price needs to be negotiated with the blogger. Don't forget, you will need to mail bloggers product samples. See it, you need to double the price of the testing order cost. In general, the one-time expenditure will be more expensive than Facebook or Google advertising price. However, the same short-term efforts may be more direct than Facebook advertisement. After-sale service. A good after-sale service is an indispensable part of the long-term dropshipping business. Take well care of the after-sale service so the customer will not leave bad review for your store or your advertising. Too many bad comments can easily lead to ads being blocked. The general return rate of dropshipping is around 6 to 8%. Luckily, CJ has a good return and exchange policy. You don't need to worry about all these parts loss. Now we can summarize all the expense. Like for Shopify user, it could be $30 monthly subscription fee plus one domain fee to set up a real website. CG Dropshipping is free to use to test order. It will take around 50 to 75 bucks. Let's say 50 bucks. For running ads, it depends on your budget. Here I would say $100 as a minimum price, and it will at least attract one customer for you. For Shopify user, $181 is the relative basic startup budget for Shopify user. And for the online shop, eBay, Amazon, Shopee, and Lazada are having much similar setup budget. eBay is $40 monthly subscription fee plus 50 test order, and plus 100 of marketing, it equals $190. Amazon is $28 monthly subscription fee plus 50 test order fee plus 100 marketing fee equals $178. And Shopee is $315 ACRA fee plus 15 test order fee plus 100 of marketing fee, it equals $465. And the Lazada is $50 of testing order fee plus 100 of marketing, so it equals $150. But Lazenda requires a business license. The minimum budget for dropshipping startup is $181. With this amount of money you have spent, you may only get like 1 or 2 orders. It seems doesn't worth the cost, but this expense is to help you familiarize with the operation of dropshipping. From this, you can slowly familiarize the customer's preference and a suitable niche for yourself. This is the biggest gain. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoying it, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and put a thumbs up for this video. Thank you for watching it and have a great day.